पंचायत है
सबलपुर मध्यवर्ती है।
हाँ
सबलपुर मिडिल।
सर यही है बस यही रकबा है।
निरीक्षण हो रहा है।
हो रहा है,
नहीं हो रहा है,
हो रहा है। तुम घूमते जो नहीं
पता नहीं चल रहा है, कैसे पता चलेगा?
पता नहीं चल रहा है। पता नहीं चल रहा है। आए नजदीक आ जाएगा ना।
नजदीक आओ जी, नजदीक आ जाओ, नजदीक आओ। I am Sanjeev Kumar Singh, Program Officer, Manrega Block Sonpur. Now here we are monitoring and investigating the scheme, the plantation scheme run by the Manrega scheme. This panchayat is entirely a flood affected panchayat, and here we have done the entire plantation effort in private land. Most of the plantation effort we did in private lands, and to empower the economic status of the villagers, we have done the better efforts to make our villagers, to make our small and marginal farmers more economic powerful. These are the plants of lemon. Here most of the plantation effort has been done by the villagers of lemon plant, because the lemon plants are more resistant towards the water, since this particular panchayat is flood affected. That is why the villagers opted to go for the plantation of lemon scheme. See, these are the plants of lemon which has been implanted almost 9 months back, and they have grown up fully, almost more than 6 feet high. Their height is more than 6 feet. Here is the Rozgar Sevak, Mr. Asghar Ali, who has done this job at this panchayat level, and his PTA, Mr. Mahbub Khan. आप ये बताइए कब लगाए थे इसको? अक्टूबर पिछले साल। कितना महीना हुआ अभी? एक साल हुआ। एक साल में इसका ग्रोथ हुआ है। तुमको कुछ जानकारी है कब से ये देगा? ये देगा
सर एक साल के अगले एक साल के बाद देना शुरू कर देगा।
अगले एक साल में देना शुरू करेगा। ठीक है, कितने पौधे हैं यहाँ?
यहाँ सर इस यूनिट में एक यूनिट में 200 पौधे लगाए थे, लेकिन हम इस पंचायत में 15 यूनिट हम लगा चुके हैं नींबू का।
क्या इसके क्या आपको फायदा क्या मिला? लोगों ने क्यों यहाँ पे ये लगवाया?
सर यहाँ का एक भौगोलिक स्थिति ये है कि यहाँ सरकारी जो भूमि होता है, जैसे हाई स्कूल का मैदान, चाहे और बहुत सारा हॉस्पिटल का, तो यहाँ भूमि का कमी अभाव है। तो इस वजह से यहाँ पे हम बाढ़ भी आता जाता है रहता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे किसान का जो है किसान का देख रेख के लिए हम यहाँ पे निजी जमीन में उसके मांग के अनुसार हम लगाए।
See what he is talking, that this panchayat is severely flood affected, and second reason is there is lack of the government land inside the panchayat. That is why the panchayat Rozgar Sevak Mr. Asghar Ali opted to go for the plantation on the private land. And what he says, that there is a severe scope of the wild animals such as the nilgais. They are doing the mass damage to the plantation effort as well as to the crops. That is why he opted to go for the lemon plantation, as the wild animals do not harm such plants. And the second reason is this, that the flood does not affect, because the lemon plants are more resistant to the flood. That is why the farmers as well as the village heads and our PRS and PTS, they decided to go for the private plantation of lemon plant inside this panchayat. the economic prosperity of this plant is so high, as revealed by so many farmers. They revealed that one plant almost sold, this plant almost give $500 per annum. It means for 200 plants in an annum, the farmer usually earns 1 lakh rupees in a year. Almost, and the cost of and the entire cost to safeguard this plant is being borne by the Manrega scheme of central government as well as the state government. That is why the Narega Sonpur is putting the best possible effort to empower our small and marginal farmers and make them more economic prosperous at their own panchayat level. Thank you. चल आई रुक आई